Hey guys, I just got out of the shower. I just washed my hair, did a little conditioning, and I am going to do a hair mask. But I wanted to get on camera because this is actually an item that I purchased here in Belize. Deodorant. Necessary. Anyway, excuse me, I did a whole video on hair care products that I've purchased here in Belize, and the whole first half of the video is missing. I still need to go and try to find it, or I'm going to have to refilm it. Either way, one of the products is this hair mask. This is by Strand. It is the Color Hair Revival. It does say that there's up to 2 uses in each one of these packs. There's 2 separate packs. Let's see, what does it say on here? It says treatment mask. It has matcha green tea to detox, sea kale to rehydrate, and keratin to seal. No parabens, no sulfated surfactants, I can never say that word, and no dyes. 1.75 ounces. I believe, it says 0.880 ounces per use. So I think that means in each pack, 0.88 ounce. Now, I'm gonna read the directions because that's what you should do. It says how to use. After shampoo, apply a small amount to wet hair from roots to ends. Leave in 5 to 7 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Use as needed for color-rich and brilliant strands. Oh yeah, this is the Color Hair Revival, so it's all about maintaining your color. I'm going to go ahead and give this a try. I am very gun shy when it comes to new hair products because I've had some bad experiences. So we're gonna give this a whirl, and normally like a mask I would leave on overnight, but since it's my first time using it and I'm not quite sure how it's gonna work in my hair, I'm only going to leave it on for maybe 30 minutes. This is what it looks like. And I'm gonna try to use just half the pack, see if that works. Because it says 2 uses, so let's get it in there. I did have to get more because that just wasn't enough. It does smell really good. I love the smell. And it does feel nice in my hair. So we're going to keep getting this in. And I end up using the whole pack. I'm just putting the last of the pack. I just squeezed what was left in this little pack out. And concentrating it here in the front of my hair. Now I'm just gonna go in around, just trying to get some of the shedding off my hands. I'm gonna go in and around and make sure it's really down into the roots. That's it, I'm gonna wash my hands. I feel like this is actually really great. It feels really soft in my hair, and I think what I'm gonna do is just check it every couple of hours. If it feels like it's starting to dry my hair, then I'll go ahead and rinse it out. But I think if I leave it in a little bit longer, it's gonna do some good stuff. So fingers crossed, and I will check back in with you guys a little bit later and wrap up my first impressions of the Strand Color Hair Revival. As you can see, I only paid $3.95 Belize for it, which is less than $2 US. Actually, guys, I've decided that in order for me to figure out if it's a good mask, I'm gonna do what I would do with any other hair mask, and that is to put on a conditioning cap. This is just one that I use to condition my hair. Put that on. Then I always take my silk scarf, put that on. That is to trap the moisture in there. We get the little silk bonnet on. And then I have one of these, what is it, Turby Twists little towels. That will use my body heat to generate heat in there so that it will penetrate into the shafts of the hair better. All right, now, this is what I would do with any other hair mask. So I'm going to leave this on because I realize it's going to be a few hours before I film, and I don't want this to really harden on my hair. So this will help keep it hydrated and moist. So I'm going to leave this on until I film. Then I'll check on it, see if it's going to last through the filming and into overnight. We shall see. We shall see. All right. Be back later. Hi, guys. We are here at day 2 for the Strand Color Revival hair mask. And I wanted to say that I left it on for a few hours. I did some quick filming and then, went ahead and rinsed it out. I didn't let it dry. I didn't put any other product on it just because I wanted to see what it was going to do. I will say that my hair didn't feel like I expected to after a hair mask. I felt like it was very dry. It just didn't feel like it had hydrated the hair. Sometimes but usually when I put on a hair mask, I feel that softness. I feel the silkiness. Maybe it has something to do with the color aspect of the formulation, but for some reason it just didn't feel feel hydrated to me. Now I do have one more pack. I probably will use it. I won't leave it on as long, but I hate wasting product. What I'm going to do now is go ahead and do my hair the way I normally would do it and see how that goes. At the moment, I just got out of the shower and I put in this Carol's Daughter. This is the Goddess Strength Divine Strength leave-in cream. I'm sure you guys, if you've seen any of my hair videos, have seen this. I already put some in, but that product was so drying. Like, I normally know how many pumps I need of this, but that product was so drying that I'm going in with extra. This will just make the hair feel amazing. Make sure to get it all the way down to the roots. I always make sure that I get the roots first, then I'll go in with the comb and detangle the ends. Now, you want to pull the product to the ends before you detangle, obviously. So, try to get that product all the way to the tips. I'm going to wash my hands. And with my wide tooth comb, I'm just going to go through it. Alright, I just washed my hands again. And now, thank God, first let me say, thank God for that Carol's Daughter, because now my hair feels nice and hydrated. But I'm going to go in with the extra hydration. You guys know how I love my curl enhancing smoothie. This is the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. It's a brand new jar. Oh, I just got these on my Prime Day. I got 2 big tubs of it because I cannot find it here in Belize. So I have to use it sparingly. So we're gonna get that in. Before I start the speed through, I should let you know that the way that I do it is I go in to the roots and then pull the product out. Kind of wiggle it into the roots, pull the product out. Speed through. Before I wash my hands, I always like to make sure that I get those edges, your widow's peak, right there in that hairline. I would like to know I got very little shedding after I put that Carol's Daughter in, so. And look at my hair, look at the curl. Look at the curl. That's that smoothie. So first we did a leave-in conditioner just to get the hair hydrated. The smoothie not only brings in the curl, but that has some great ingredients in it to continue the hydration. Now the last thing I do is lock it in. And this I actually had shipped in from the States when we first moved here. This was in my storage in my boxes. I bought a huge thing of this Eco Gel. This is the, what is this one? This is, oh yeah, this is the one with the Argan Oil in it. Now the funny thing is, you can find Eco Gel everywhere in Belize. It's in every little store that sells hair products. Has every type of the Eco Gel, the coconut, the regular, they have all the Eco here in Belize, which is great. So I'm still going through my big tub. This is how many ounces? This is like 2.36 liters. I don't have my glasses on, you guys. There it is. So yeah. So then we're just gonna lock everything in, and I just go in and just kind of pat it on, because I'm really kind of concentrating it on the ends of the hair. Once I pat it all through the hair, then I go back through it, just like I did the Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I lift up a section, get down to the roots, and make sure it's the entire strand is coated with the gel. And if it starts to freak you out like, oh my God, my curl pattern is straightening out, don't worry. You're just coating the hair at the moment. You're not really styling it just yet. Right now, we're just trying to get the product in the hair. Speed through. You're wondering, how do I know with all that product if it's gel or the smoothie? Trust me, you will know. You'll be able to feel the difference. You'll know that the hair is coated with the gel. And now I'm just going back over my hairline and my edges. That is it for the products. I feel like we got everything in there. You might want to just kind of wipe it up from your hairline a little bit, maybe push it back in. And also around your ears. I always seem to get it so around my ears. I just take whatever's on my ears and just put it in my hairline. Now, if I'm just gonna be in the house and not going anywhere or doing anything, I would just let this air dry. However, I'm gonna be doing some filming later, so I am gonna hit it with the blow dryer. I actually prefer it with the blow dryer because it sets it and styles it amazingly, but I don't like putting that much heat on my hair that often, so I only do it every once in a while. I will blow dry my hair. I really like to just let it air dry. It still styles up just as nicely, but with the hair dryer, it just really locks in those curls. And yeah, once it's all styled up, I'll put up some pictures for you guys. But that's really it for the first impressions on the hair revival mask, which this was all about, the color revival mask. Did it do anything amazing? I can't tell that my color is improved at all. Maybe once I blow dry it, I'll know. Maybe I'll come back on and tell you, or just put it up in the video, whether I thought it made it a difference in the color. But as far as the hydration, that I did not get from this product. Alright, I will add in some photos or some video here at the end, just so you can see what the final look looks like. And I'll see you guys in my next video. And until next time, you better believe it. Bye.
Stop.